So in this video you learn how to get Snapchat dark mode on an iPhone. And no, it's not just switching into dark mode on your phone. It's something very easy to do, but you won't be able to do it without the video. It's absolutely free. Hey, I'm Dr. Nikki. I talk about all things making money online and personal branding, and me and my team, I have 2 video editors. We try to produce over 2 videos every single day. If you enjoy that, subscribe and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. And I can shout out your Snapchat account, Instagram account, TikTok account, YouTube account in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool, one of the usernames down below. I'll take it, put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, so here is how it goes. As you can see on Snapchat right now, on the Discover tab or the Chat tab, my Snapchat is white. And that really hurts my eyes, or I want to believe that's so. So if I go on, normally I would go on my iPhone settings and I would go down below, click on display and brightness, and if I have it on light on Instagram and any other app, I should have a white background, and if I switch it to black, I should have a black background. But look at that, I don't have a black background. There's an even easier way to do it. Listen up. You go on your settings and you go on this option, accessibility. You click it, you go down below, or actually it's on top, display and text size. You click that and then you click on Smart Invert, this button. And what this button does is it inverts colors. So here you have the dark mode enabled. And you can tweak some of the options a little bit. So if this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe. Remember that a video that gives the doctor away by the end of this video, you should check one of these videos out. See you next one. Bye.